Wakabi Adam, the relative of Wakabi Adam. Owamani Robert. Kongana Moses Mwaka. Waiswa Latif. Samuel Makoha.
They are training to become terrorists with the full sanctioning of the government of Kenya, because they know about it, they cleared it. The leadership of the county government in Kenya, in Kisumu, they knew about it. You ask the county government, ask the governor of Kisumu. He's there. You ask him if they were not aware of this program, if they were not aware of the existence of this, of the presence rather. You ask the county governor. You know him. His Excellency. He's there. You ask him, were they aware of this program as the leadership of the county government? It was well known. It was sanctioned. It was clear. It was within the heart of the city of Kisumu. So it is ridiculous. It's nonsensical for one to argue or to contend that they were training in terrorism in the heart of Kisumu city. So whatever they are doing is really reprehensible, it's condemned. Rather, it's reprehensible, it's abhorrible, and the kind of treatment they were subjected to is what we have to say. They were handcuffed. They were tied Kandoya, right from Kisumu in the middle of the night. They were brought to SO headquarters here. They were paraded before the press. They have been detained beyond 48 hours, and so that kind of treatment is not only a narrative, but is inhuman and degrading. It's reprehensible, it's deplorable, and it's abhorrible. That's what we have said, and we still maintain that. And the law is very clear. Once one is subjected to that kind of treatment, even the charges are invalid. And this is what we want to present before the court. First and foremost, we are taking this matter to the Constitutional Court, because the proceedings are invalid from the word go. They are invalid in the sense that these people have been subjected to human and degrading treatment. They are rooted, the proceedings are rooted in transgressions in violation of rights, and the law is very clear on this. Once you bring suspects before court, they are arraigned with any charge, and you have subjected them to human and degrading treatment, or in any way violated their civil liberties or fundamental rights. Those proceedings are invalid, and this is exactly what is happening here. So we are going to challenge this in the Constitutional Court. Two, as we indicated yesterday, we are going to pursue this with the High Commissioner of Kenya here. The extradition law was never followed. The extradition law is very, very clear. Actually, there are two things here. Let me explain this so that you understand it. Were these people extradited or deported? Because for deportation, he must have been in the country illegally, or having entered legally to commit violence within that particular country. And in that case, courts of that particular country have to try you, and one of the penalties is to deport you. So if they had entered Kenya illegally, you cannot kidnap from Kenya, from Kisumu, and bring them to be tried in Uganda. So that's why we say these proceedings are narrative, and we don't subject them to the Constitutional Court test. We hear it from the government of Uganda or Kenya. Where is the nexus? At least from the proceedings here, they have not indicated that these people were engaged in any activity in Kenya, in Mandamano, in Kenya, or they were doing anything connected to the protests going on in Kenya. it has not been arranged. So that's the reason Kenya government has not preferred any charge against them. As far as we are concerned, the government of Kenya, unless they come out and deny us, they have no issues with these people. They have not violated any law in Kenya. You are asking whether we have proof they are lawful entry of the government. Not the governor of Kisumu. Clear, it's not the governor of Kisumu to clear this. No. What they are saying, no. Have a meeting. We don't need clearance. It's just notification. This is what I wanted to tell you. Kenya, they do not ask you to get clearance to hold an indoor meeting. You get it? But you, courtesy demands that you notify them. And exactly this is what they did. They were duly notified and they had no objection. They gave a nod to this. They have no, you ask them, you go straight with them if they were not notified about this particular program. How could the whole government of Kenya sanction a program intended to train people in subversive activities? How could this happen? I wish we could get a statement from Kenya. So the other thing we are going to do tomorrow, we are proceeding here to present our protest. Out tomorrow for the High Commissioner of Kenya on whatever has happened. Because we believe, and rightly so, that the entry of our forces into Kenya, kidnap our police,